Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
So if you have a laptop and which you have no longer using, you can use laptop hard disk as an external hard disk. So to make an external hard disk, you need to purchase this type of casing. You can find it in the Amazon store, or also it can be purchased from the local computer store. So to make as an external, you need to remove your laptop hard disk from the laptop by removing the back panel and remove all the screw. Take out the hard disk from the laptop. Remove all the screw of the back side. After removing all the screw from the back side, you will find your hard disk and also take out your hard disk. Now insert your hard disk into an external casing. Attach this heads into hard disk. And now our hard disk is ready for use for external device. You can connect with the cable provided. Just plug it to the hard disk and the USB port in the laptop or computer, and you can use as an external hard disk. So in this way you can easily convert your laptop hard disk into an external portable hard disk.